Hey, what's up? If you're trying to reach PlayStation support, whether you're on PS4 or PS5, I've got you covered in this quick walkthrough. Start by opening any browser and heading to PlayStation.com. This works for both PS4 and PS5 users as long as you've got a PlayStation account. At the top of the site, click on the Support tab. Then, on the drop-down, click Support again to load the Help Center. From here, you'll see several support categories. These include PlayStation Store and refunds, account security, subscriptions, and more. Pick the one that fits your issue. For example, let's go into account and security, then select security and privacy and choose compromised account as the issue. On the next page, scroll down a bit and click recover account. This opens up a new tab with more help options. Now scroll down again and look for the need help section. Click on Contact PlayStation Support. Depending on the issue, you'll see options like phone support or messaging. For example, under Games and Add-ons, you might see help with downloads or updates. Choose your issue and the available contact options will show up, like a support phone number or live chat. Just keep in mind, not all contact options are available for every issue. Some topics will show messaging only, while others let you call. And that's how you reach PlayStation support in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast tutorials like this.